My name is Ali. Today I am not feeling well. I feel weak and tired. I have a headache. I also have a fever. My body feels hot. I am sitting on my bed. My mother comes to me. She looks at me carefully. My mother says, "Ali, you do not look well. You should visit the doctor." I slowly nod my head. We leave our home. We go to the clinic. The clinic is clean and quiet. Many people are sitting there. I sit on a chair. My mother sits next to me. We wait for our turn. After some time, the doctor calls my name. "Ali, please come in." We enter the doctor's room. The doctor is smiling. He looks kind and friendly. The doctor asks, "Ali, how are you feeling today?" I answer and say, "Doctor, I am not feeling well." The doctor asks me, "Do you have a fever?" I say, "Yes, I have a fever." The doctor checks my temperature. He listens to my heartbeat. He also checks my throat. The doctor says, "Ali, you have a cold. Do not worry." The doctor gives me some medicine. He explains everything slowly. He says, "Take this medicine 2 times a day. Drink a lot of water and get plenty of rest." I listen carefully. I say, "Thank you, doctor." We leave the clinic. We go back home. At home, I take my medicine. I lie down on my bed. I rest and feel calm. I feel relaxed. 2 days pass. Now I feel better. My body feels strong again. I am happy. I can play again. I am healthy and smiling.